Hey fellow foodies, it's Faye from facefood.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make these easy no-bake chocolate peanut butter bars. So to start, we're going to combine the graham cracker crumbs and the melted butter. These graham cracker crumbs just really add not only some flavor but a nice texture in there. So that's why we're adding that. And at this point, I'm gonna add in the I'm adding in the peanut butter. I'm using smooth peanut butter. You can use chunky, I believe. Will work fine too. So whatever you prefer. Okay, now I'm adding in some vanilla. You really just want to mix this until it's nice and combined. It will thin down on you, get kind of liquidy. It's completely normal, you did nothing wrong. Okay, and at this point I'm going to add in the sifted confectioner sugar. Make sure you sift it. We don't want unnecessary lumps in there of confectioner sugar. This will add sweetness and it will thicken the mixture right back up, so that's why we're adding that. Really just mix that until it's nice and combined as well. And now I'm going to pour that mixture into a 9 by 13 inch pan. I did pre-grease it with some cooking spray just to really ensure that they're going to come out when I cut them. The thing is, you want to use an offset spatula to spread this evenly. Mine was in my toolbox at work, so I worked with what I had here. But really you just want to spread it as evenly as possible. Okay, and then what you want to do is just refrigerate this, so cover it up and refrigerate it for at least an hour. This will help firm it up before we pour the chocolate over it. And speaking of that chocolate glaze topping, we're going to go ahead and get started on that. So you want to combine some peanut butter and then some chocolate. It's pretty simple. I'm using milk chocolate as well as semi-sweet. You can again use any combination of chocolate as you'd like. Just make sure you're aware of the differences in sweetness level. I melted mine with a microwave, just did 15-second bursts and then stirred it every 15 seconds. You can of course set up a double boiler and melt it that way as well. So out of the fridge, I'm going to go ahead and pour in the chocolate over the top. And again, offset spatula is what you'd be using to really spread this very evenly, keep it as straight as possible. I have to adapt and overcome here because I don't have mine, but whatever works. So once you get the chocolate all spread out, you're going to cover that. You want to refrigerate it for at least 4 hours, but you can definitely do it overnight. And then when it comes out of the fridge, it look like this. Of course, firms up, and then you can cut into it. But what I would suggest you do before you cut into it is run a blowtorch underneath, or kind of hold it over the flame of a stovetop to really help loosen the bottom. You can also just leave it out for about an hour or two and that should do it, but if you want quicker results, I suggest you do those. So I'm just going to cut them into bars like this. You can see the nice layers of chocolate and peanut butter. This thing is so good. Really great to get your peanut butter cup fix in if you don't have any on hand. And like I said, if you want peanut butter cups, quote unquote, you can really cut them with a round cutter if you want to go that route. So you have a nice cute little snack for your kids or for any guests. So for the full recipe, go to facefood.com, like this video, comment below for any comments or questions, share this video as well, subscribe to this channel for more great videos on the way. Do try this recipe. Thank you so much for your support, and you have a wonderful day.